Hi, so this is a quick demo of the sounds in MES Mini 11, which is the new member of the mini series. Is different to all the other mini-series because it's a dual oscillator synth, so it's got the same bottom to top workflow and simplicity, but it's also got more power because the bottom row here we're using all 12 slots. So I'm going to very briefly go through those now. So on the left we've got the oscillator type for oscillator 1, and it's sawtooth or pulse with pulse width, trapezoid wave or trap wave with pulse width. And we've got triangle, then we've got half sine, full sine, and sine, which is obviously pure wave. And then we've got a very nice unison. I'll just demo it very quickly with the source. It's a very rich, carefully developed unison. It sounds great. So yeah, then we've got oscillator mix. So here we're on oscillator 1, oscillator 2. Let's put it on sine. So we've got the same waves for oscillator 2 as we have for oscillator 1. We have the same unison, and then we've got 4 additional controls for oscillator 2, which are wave shaping mode. So right now we're on sine, but I can turn on wave shaping. We've got a bit of wave shaping dialed in. but they all sound pretty different. So that was warm, soft. We've got clean, soft, hard clip, and punchy, soft. Okay, and then oscillator 2 only has octave and semitone detuning. That can be extremely useful because, as you know, detuning oscillators is, well, I think it's like my favourite way to create a very rich sound. It sounds amazing. So, and then we have a sense detune. Get that classic beating, detuning sound. And finally, I'm going to leave you with static snowstorm, and that is an effect. So listen to the modulation going on in this. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.